Well, Michael Polak is a lawyer and director of Justice Abroad, the legal team working on behalf of the young woman. He says the ruling is not surprising.
Well, she's obviously very unhappy with what's gone on here. And I think it'd be fair to say that we're all a bit disappointed, but not surprised about the conviction. Given the way the whole trial was conducted, we had a very, very strong feeling that the result was going to go this way at this stage.
Well, you've made it clear that you're going to be appealing this. On what grounds?
There's a number of different grounds for appealing in this case. One of them is quite simple, really. The judge, over and over again during the proceedings, he stopped our Cypriot lawyers from exploring the evidence which goes to support the fact that she was raped. He said things like, "This is not a rape case. This is not a rape case. I don't want to hear about it." He got very angry and he shut down our lawyers when they tried to bring up that evidence. And which makes no sense to me at all, because logically, if she was raped, then she's not guilty of the public nuisance because she's not making up an imaginary offence, which is required by the statute. So that's one simple example. Other examples are in regards to disclosure of evidence in Cyprus. There's no procedure requiring the authorities to look through the evidence and disclose evidence which assists the defence. At one stage during the trial, our pathologist was giving evidence, and the prosecution put to him questions about medical evidence from the Israeli youths. And we'd never seen this before. It actually supported our case. But it shows you what kind of problem there is when the state has the power to collect the evidence and all the resources to do so, but no obligation to look through it to see which evidence might assist the defence. So that's another ground. Also, what happened within the police station as well is something which we say is definitely appealable.
Well, you said you're not surprised by the outcome of this, but on a wider sense, what do you think this says about the justice system in Cyprus?
Since becoming involved in this case, we've been contacted by foreigners with cases in Cyprus across lots of different areas, whether that's to do with people who invest in property in Cyprus, who get into disputes with local companies and then find out that there isn't a proper and fair system for them for that dispute to be dealt with, or other similar cases to the one we're dealing with at the moment. There's lots of worrying problems in the justice system, and it starts from before a case gets to court. Nothing in Cyprus in the police station is recorded. There's no recording instruments at all, no video recording of any type at all, which is really surprising for a country within the European Union. They've decided not to record what happens in the police station. And this creates the perfect environment for the police to put pressure on people to change their evidence.
So going forward, is that something that you'd like to address?
Well, I think it's something we'll definitely include in our appeal. We'll appeal to the Supreme Court of Cyprus. If we can't get justice for the teenager there, the case will be brought to the European courts in regards to failure to provide representation and all the other breaches of her right to a fair trial. I have no doubt that we will be successful at some step along the way. I'm less hopeful that will take place within Cyprus itself.
Michael Polak speaking to me there.